Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you go, you belong.
I'm coming down the street. Be careful, Mom.
So, you guys, welcome to my favorite place. This is Luxor. Yes, Luxor, Egypt. It is absolutely one of the places you must put on your list to see when you visit Egypt. Why? Well, it's simply beautiful. There's serious architecture there, historic sites, great food, great people. It's an all around good time, and you won't regret it. Up next is the Red Sea Hurghada. Here we come. So this resort is the quintessential adult playground. And once again, you guys, it did not disappoint. We had an awesome time there. And this is just a quick look at some of the feels, some of the vibes for all the fun that you can have during the day and into the night at this resort. But just as important as the feels and the vibe of the resort itself are the rooms. So let's take a look. Television, chair for you to sit on, coffee service, refrigerator. Love the curtains and the view. It's going to be really nice as well. It's got like a little seating area to sit, plus two nice size beds. Yeah, it's quite a vibe. We'll go outside, see what's up. Alright, you come out to the beautiful balcony area. Right, it's a private balcony. And look at the view. Little sea view happening. Just really quite a vibe here, you guys. It's beautiful. Let's check out the bathroom. It's giving me all types of feels. I love it. It's bohemian, y'all. Bohemian. Got a bohemian flavor. Stuff, got your lotion, body washes, shampoos and conditioners, nice shower head. It's cute. Love the sink. Love, love, love the sink. You guys, this place is so freaking cute. So they have this like affirmation wall, and I'm gonna flip the camera around and let you see it, but this whole little seated area out here, you can just come sit out, chill, read the affirmations, enjoy nature. This is the place to be. I love it. is the view. What y'all think? Yeah, he'd be something like that. How's it feel?
Yeah, fresh.
It feels fresh. Is it cold?
Yeah, cool.
It's cold?
No. It's
No?
not cold.
It's not cold?
Perfect temperature.
Perfect, okay.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta be G's to jump in too. Huh? Y'all gotta be a G and jump in. Oh no, baby.
She said ain't jumping in.
The park.
Is it cold? She said
Yes, he said it's perfect.
I know how to swim now.
She can't swim, mama.
We know.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay. Okay.
It was 1%. It was 1% risky. I'm not gonna do it. You know?
Okay, alright.
Let them do it.
Okay. Even though she can't swim, they're getting ready for her. They heard you. She a daredevil. They got the whole life raft on her.
Come, yes. No, you
She said it's cold. He gonna take him out. Aww. Sweet. Kick, paddle, there you go. so much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And share this video with everyone you know to help my channel grow. Thank you.